Hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned, and now we're going to go ahead and style. I want to do some twists on the side. I'm thinking like maybe 3 or 4. We'll see how I'm feeling, and then do the rest in a wash and go. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to go ahead and just apply some leave-in all over. I'm going to use this guy right here, Ride or Die, Old Faithful. This is good stuff. So I'm just going to apply this all over the hair. Go ahead and decide how much hair I want on the side. So I'm gonna start off with my fingers and just do it like this. And then we'll just work our way over and try to make these parts as straight as I can, but these are not gonna be perfect, so. So here's the part, my first part, and I've got my rubber bands ready, and I'm going to use a little bit of edge control. This one is by Camille Rose. It's the lavender edge gel, edge glaze, looks like this. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and just kind of place it along where I'm twisting. With twisting, you can just kind of gather your hair all together and twist it back like this, or you can actually take 2 strands and kind of twist backwards and add hair as you go along. So that's what I'm gonna try to do, but if it gets to be too difficult, then I will just gather all the hair. But I like this because it's very, very quick and it's a lot easier than braiding. So if you don't know how to braid, then you can just do something like this. I'm gonna do a 3rd one and see if I want to keep going. Okay, so here's my twists up close. They are not perfect, but that is okay. So now that we've got our little twists in, now we're just gonna style the rest of the hair. And the styler that I'm gonna use is from Jane Carter Solution. This is the Curls to Go Elongating Gel. So that's how this looks. I got this from Sally Beauty, if you were wondering, and I like how much slip this has. So I'm going to air dry for a bit, and then I'll probably sit underneath my hooded dryer. It all just depends, but I will let you guys know. And then of course I'll come back once everything is dry and we will have the final result. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Hair is all dry. I did let it air dry for about an hour, and then I sat underneath my hooded dryer. So I need to do that more often because it's so quick. You just sit under there for like 20 minutes and your hair is completely dry. So this is what we're working with. We got definition, and then, you know, the little twists on the side. Just add a little something, you know, just to spice up your wash and go. Also, it kind of helps keep your hair out of your face, so I like that as well. And it's just nice to switch it up every now and then. As you guys saw, my twists were not perfect, did not do them perfectly, but it's fine. You can't really tell. It's still cute. So if you can't braid, try to, you know, just twist and finesse and make it happen. So yeah, you guys, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. I'll leave all the products that I used in the description box down below. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next one.